Hello traders. Welcome to KP Technical.
Types of technical indicators: 1. Trend indicators. 2. Momentum indicators. 3. Volatility indicators. 4. Volume indicators. 1. Trend indicators measure the direction and strength of a trend, using form of price averaging to establish a baseline. As price moves above the average, it can be thought of as a bullish trend. When prices fall below the average, it signals a bearish trend. Trend indicators: moving averages, moving average, convergence, divergence, parabolic stop and reverse. Parabolics are moving averages are used to identify current trends and trend reversals, as well as to set up support and resistance levels. Moving average, convergence, divergence, MACD, used to reveal changes in the strength, direction, momentum and duration of a trend in a stock's price. Parabolic stop and reverse. Parabolics are used to find potential reversals in the market price direction. Two, momentum indicators help identify the speed of price movement by comparing prices over time. It can also be used to analyze volume. It is calculated by comparing the current closing price to previous closing prices. Typically, this appears as a line below a price chart that oscillates as momentum changes. When there is a divergence between price and a momentum indicator, it can signal a change in future prices. Momentum indicators: stochastic oscillator, commodity channel index, relative strength index. Stochastic oscillator used to predict turning points by comparing price to its price range. Commodity channel index (CI), an oscillator to help identify price reversals, price extremes and trend strength. Relative strength index, or RSI, it measures the stock's recent trading strength, velocity of a change in the trend and magnitude of the move. Three, volatility indicators measure the rate of price movement, regardless of direction. This is generally based on a change in the highest and lowest historical prices. They provide useful information about the range of buying and selling that take place in a given market and help traders determine points where the market may change direction. Volatility indicators: Bollinger Bands average, true range, standard deviation. Bollinger Bands used to measure the highness or lowness of the price relative to previous trades. Average, true range: the indicator does not provide an indication of price trend, simply the degree of price volatility. Standard deviation, used to measure expected risk and determine the significance of certain price movements. 4. Volume indicators measure the strength of a trend or confirm a trading direction based on some form of averaging or smoothing of raw volume. The strongest trends often occur while volume increases. In fact, it is the increase in trading volume that can lead to large movements in price. Volume indicators: Chaikin oscillator, on balance, volume rate of change. Chaikin oscillator monitors the flow of money in and out of the market. Comparing money flow to price action helps to identify tops and bottoms in short and intermediate cycles. On balance volume, OBV, on balance volume, attempts to measure the level of accumulation or distribution by comparing volume to price movements. Volume rate of change highlights increases in volume, which normally occur at most significant market tops, bottoms and breakouts.
For more stock market updates, subscribe KP Technical.